Hello everyone, I just received this PS4 Pro, a customer from Panama City, Florida, where it was our old shop, and he asked to replace the HDMI, and he wants the PS4 software, the update in USB, because I think he has another PS4 that's giving him the software issue, doesn't want to boot to the home screen. So let's do that. So you can see some damage here in this side, the HDMI port. So that's what we're gonna replace. And this is the replacement part. Yeah, this solder is melted at 183. And usually the factory solder is melted at 220 to 250. This solder here is going to help the melt point to be low, especially for these pins here that's connected to the big ground. This is going to need a lot of heat. So we take the nozzle and use the big heat area, and that's gonna be more quicker. So set up it at 440, plus I will use the solder iron. It's gonna be more quicker. Be careful to the small component. And don't use a lot of air. So at the moment I just want to mix it, the new solder with the old solder. Yeah, it looks like it's getting melted here. And wait for it to fall by itself with a little push. So don't push it hard so you don't damage the pads, and you can see it's going by itself like that. Yeah, if you push it hard you may damage the pads and traces here. So let's go to the microscope and we solder the pins. So it's good, it looks good, but we still have to put some solder this side here, and we go one by one to be sure that has enough solder and is soldered good and strong. Yeah, the PS4 which works. We have the display, works fine. So the HDMI problem is fixed. The eject button, it doesn't work. But the disc, it works. Like if you go to option and remove the disc, it's removed. So let's check why it's doing that. I forgot to connect this one, so that's my mistake. So let's click the button. It works. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you again.